During the past couple of years, consumers spent more time at home, making them more health conscious. Here with some healthy home inspiration is TV personality and licensed contractor Skip Bedell. We always love having you on the show. Welcome, Skip.
Now, of course, with spring in the air and outdoor allergens being a big thing, it's really important that we filter out those in addition to all the indoor air quality contaminants. So Filtrete, the #1 leading brand name in home air filtration, makes it really easy. You can change this HVAC filter in just seconds and get a head start on filtering out those things. But now from Filtrete, they make it even easier because these are the room air purifiers and they're completely smart. They work with your smartphone, so they continuously monitor the air quality in your home using a laser-based system. When they sense any contaminants in the air, they ramp up and they filter it out with a true HEPA filter, removing 99.97% of the particles. This is a whole home water filter by KOIN. This is amazing because it filters out all the water throughout your whole home, giving you alkaline drinking water at every faucet in your home. Comes with a 10-year warranty, Nicole, and best part is right now, if you go onto their website at KOIN and you use my name, tell them I sent you, use the promo code SKIP, viewers will get $1,000 off today on the price of this amazing whole home water filter from KOIN.
Love a good promo code. Okay, thanks, Nicole and Skip. Yes, with the allergy season this year being so bad, a healthy home sounds great. Okay, our sponsors at 3M and KOIN Water Filtration have even more info if you go to skipbell.com. Now it's time.